Ever spent hours editing your video, but only a few seconds on the thumbnail? That thumbnail could be the reason people never click. What if AI could create scroll-stopping thumbnails for you in seconds? Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. In Filmora, there's a smart new feature called AI Thumbnail Maker. It helps you generate professional thumbnails directly inside your editing workflow. No Photoshop, no external design tools, and no starting from scratch. Let me show you how it works. Export your video. After editing your video in Filmora, click Export in the top right corner. You'll enter the Export Settings window. Here you can choose your video title, output folder, format, resolution, and quality settings. But here's the interesting part. On the thumbnail section, click Edit. Open AI Thumbnail Maker. This launches Filmora's AI thumbnail workspace. And right away, you get multiple creation options. AI Cover. Let Filmora analyze your video and automatically generate thumbnail ideas. Templates. Choose from ready-made designs for content like vlogs, gaming, education, sports, podcasts, travel, brand videos, shorts. Mine. Use your saved custom designs. This means you're not just creating thumbnails, you're building a thumbnail workflow. Customize your thumbnail. At the top, you'll see editing tools. Add text. Create bold titles, hooks, or curiosity-driven headlines. Example, AI created this video, or the battle begins. Add image. Upload logos, product images, faces, or custom graphics. Perfect for branding, reaction videos, product demos. Frame selection. You can also scrub through your video timeline and pick the best frame for your thumbnail. Choose action moments, strong emotions, or cinematic scenes. Those usually get better clicks. Real use cases. Gaming creators can capture boss fights, cinematic characters, or intense reactions. Travel creators can use scenic frames with bold titles like Hidden Places You Must Visit. Tutorial creators can make cleaner, more professional educational thumbnails. Brand creators can build product thumbnails without opening extra design software. Podcast creators can create face-focused covers that feel premium and clickable. Pro tips. Use close-up faces or emotional moments. Keep text short. 3 to 5 words works best. High-contrast backgrounds usually perform better. Use Filmora's AI cover first, then customize it. With Filmora's AI Thumbnail Maker, your thumbnail can work just as hard as your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.